Hello, this is Sharon's Cash Envelopes and Beyond. Woo! Look, this is a great video because I just want you to understand it's so many things that hit us in life. So, not just, you know, it's so great to do the cash envelope stuffing because you get to understand what's going on and how to make your goals or and just how to budget and just how to be better, just to be a better person each day. Bam! Hey, I like that. So, and then I show you the digital side of, cash envelope stuffing instead of stuffing envelopes. You're doing it digitally. So a digital side of doing it. And then showing you, even to save that as well. Okay, if you look at my previous videos, the link will be below to see my previous videos of what I'm talking about. But today, I'm going to focus on the cash envelope side. So not just on the thing I've been doing, which dealing with the envelopes, of course, but also a new goal that I'm working on, which is still pertaining to the old goal of emergency fund. You don't know how important that is until things like, look, the weather. The weather has been so challenging across the United States. For me, I never seen anything like it. I mean, a lot of places you have very, very powerful thunderstorms. And then when you have them, you have things like trees down, things like that, and power outages like out of this world. So, and the numbers are very, very high. And think about it. And then these temperatures are very, very high. And people don't expect this. So, emergency fund, just like I'm doing, I mean, that's a start because sometimes, most of the time, people don't have anything like that. But this is why it's so important to have something like this. It's so important because of things like that. And then you got everything going on. Then, of course, we know eventually kids are heading back to school. So you need to, focus on that. So if you have some kind of goal in mind to do envelope stuffing or the digital money, and if you do that, that will help you with anything. It don't solve the problem, but it helps towards the goal of anything that you need help on at the time. So this time I want to focus on what we normally focus on. I have my numbers here, and we're doing great. I only got one here. That's that 100. If everybody remember that, see the last video. And then I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. And in just a second. So let's focus on what money I have now. I got 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 6, 7, 8, 9, $49. So we go over here. I have a 49. Yes, I do. And we're going to do it in pink because this is what I have here. Put it right there. Get that look great. And then we're going to put the 49 here. Might fold it to make it. $49. And like I said, I have these in order. So, let's see. Well, I'm sure it go between 40 and 50. Yeah, 49. So, what I'm going to do, we're going to talk about that project in a minute. I'm going to move these over here. I have some extra envelopes. And move my calculator. And then where you can see. And like I said, I'm going to move this money over. And then the calculator. And you can see a little bit better. So what we're going to do is get that total about what's going on. We need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to see if we doing that right. Let's start over. I know I'm not perfect. 2, 3, 4, 5. I guess they add up right. 3, 6. Okay. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 20, 22, 25, 33, 40, 49, 50, and what we got? 100. Oh, let's go back. 100. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Oh, no. Now we got to go back. Not because I cleared it out. Oh, no. Oh, no. Do. I cleared it out. Didn't mean it. Didn't mean it. I know y'all wanted that total. I didn't mean it. I promise I didn't mean it. Well, there we go. Well, we got it back in order like it's supposed to be anyway. So anyway, let's focus on it so you can see it. Or can you see it? Whoa, there you go. And then I can show it to you too. 477, yay! Woo! All right, I got it straight. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Before I go into the next project, I want to thank my subscribers and thank for everyone that continue to look at my videos. Sharing cash envelopes and beyond. We're going to bring you more and more content so we could work on our goals, work what we need to do together. Yes, we could do this. We could do it. So we got 477, and we just figured that out. So this is my new project I'm doing. I have a case, and I'm going to put the others here. But you see the little plastic. I'm going to take these out. Come on now. Work with me. It don't want to work with me. Well, let me take out a few. So, and I'm going to stuff 20s in them. It's like 100 of these. And I'm going to stuff $20 bills. It's still going to be a part of my cash, my emergency fund in my case. But I'm going to stuff 20s in. And if I can get them in here, like so. Ta-da! I did it. So then the next 20. Can I do it? Can I do it? Come on, Sharon, the cash envelope and beyond, lady. Can you do it? I think I can. I don't know what it was. My nose was itching. I don't know what that means. Does that mean that I'm going to get some more here? I don't know. Oh, so I wanted to take some more of these out, but it ain't working out right now. But then you put them in, and then like so. So I'm going to start doing these, plus these envelopes. Then, and also, when I build it up, my digital money, then show you those. So we're going to do 3 different things. We got this project, we got the cash envelope, and then the digital side. So we're going to do that. And I'm going to tell you, for those who didn't know my digital side right now, right now I just got $72.84. But like digital side, look at my previous videos. The link will be below, and you can see on my digital side. So that's all I have for today, and I love to bring you more. But to help me out, please subscribe to my channel. Please hit that bell so YouTube can know, so I can bring you more videos and bring it to more people, because I love helping out. I love helping out myself, of course, but the best part is helping out you. So until we meet again, I'm going to say, I see you later. See you next time.